Hello, I'm Daniel, creator of the GateKeeper. It's a good idea to follow these steps before your GateKeeper is installed. If you haven't already, install the Tuya Smart app on your device and create an account. Once you're logged in, click Me in the bottom right corner of the app. Press Home Management, then join our home. Enter the invitation code provided. If the code doesn't work, please request a new one. Navigate to the Me tab. Press Message Center. Press the settings icon in the top right corner and ensure notifications are enabled. Navigate to the home screen. Press My Home in the top left corner of the screen. Ensure your address is selected. Now you're connected and set up. Connect other devices using your Tuya Smart username and password. If you need help, please don't hesitate to reach out.